All right, let's read through this paragraph and see if we can figure out what the incorrect word is. At 23andMe, with consent, DNA can be extracted, that's true, prepared, and analyzed for about 1 million SNVs. That's true. Individual SNVs are identified by their IBD. Right? SNVs aren't identified by IBD. There's actually a certain term they're identified, right? They have an identifier, and that identifier is the RSID. Individually or collectively, they can give information about ancestry, that's true, autosomal, mitochondrial, Y chromosome lineages, and traits, simple or complex. So IBD is the wrong word here, and it should be replaced with RSID.